Sir, you also got an offer to sell Naukri for $2 million. Is
नहीं
ये
नहीं
क-
नहीं, it was
नहीं?
more than $2 million. We were, I forget, we offered some 20 million, 80 million, I forget.
Which year?
Would have been 2001 too.
My goodness. Oh, कैसा तब तक कितना बड़ा हो गया था सर बिजनेस?
See, the valuations were completely out of whack with the business turnover. So we did 36 lakhs in April 2000.
Okay.
We did 1.14 crores in 2001 April. We did 2.25 crores in 2002. So around that time, we got an offer. So you see, internet businesses ka, internet valuations ka, very often early stage mein, the valuations are out of line with the actual business performance. Okay?
Correct.
People are valuing you on potential and promise.
So it was an $80 million.
Maybe
Back then.
20 million. I forget the exact thing, but we didn't sign anything. So, it was just a verbal offer across the table.
Wow. क्यों नहीं साइन करा?
यार हमने सोचा we want to stay independent. We want to build a large company out of India. We had ambition. हम इंडिया से वर्ल्ड क्लास कंपनी बनाएंगे. हमें ये करना चाहा.
बट फिर भी मतलब अगर $80 मिलियन देखे हैं 40 रुपए के रेट पे भी तो 300 करोड़ रुपए टाइप का आपको
That is
कुछ मिल
correct.
रहा है.
That
2 करोड़ रुपए का रेवेन्यू है.
so you did some soul searching. Why am I in this?
Hmm.
Is it to become personally wealthy or is it to build an institution and a brand and a legacy and a reputation? And we concluded that we should stay the course and stay the distance and build something big out of this.
This is difficult, no?
Actually,
take this
if
sort of a
you
decision.
do some soul searching,
हाँ.
if you do some soul searching, you ask yourself a question कि मेरे को केवल पैसे बनाने हैं या फिर कुछ बड़ा बनाना है.
वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सर. कब आप वैल्यूएशन जैसी चीज से कब इंट्रोडक्शन हुआ था आपका प्राइवेट?
1999, 2000, because we began to get inbound interest from venture capitalists
अच्छा.
saying, can we please invest in your company? And that's when I realized that USA में क्या हो रहा है कि there's a .com valuation,
Yes.
they value eyeballs, there's
Yeah.
probably a bubble.
Yeah.
And that's when I got introduced to the concept of a valuation of a company. Otherwise, valuation used to be based on profits.
करेक्ट.
हमारा टर्नओवर था साल का 35 लाख और प्रॉफिट था 1.8 lakhs because I was not taking a salary.
एंड यू वर स्टिल टीचिंग? यू नॉट?
I was a part-time journalist by then
अ पार्ट टाइम जर्नलिस्ट?
at the Pioneer newspaper.
ओह.
Uh,
जैसे आज हम कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हो.
हाँ.
कंटेंट क्रिएटर. ओके. वाओ. एंड देन इट ऑल हैपेंड अंटिल 2002.
देखिए, we raised money in April 2000
अच्छा.
from ICICI Venture,
ओह.
and then the market went down almost immediately.
बिकॉज ऑफ
The
द .com bust.
.com bust. तो 3-4 साल फिर डिफिकल्टी हुई.
अच्छा.
But
how big was that check?
7.29 crores, 7.3 crores.
Wow.
Which was decent, but not very large because Jobs Ahead had raised 28 crores.
The same period.
About 3 months before us.
अच्छा.
तो 28 crore उठाए थे हमने. 7.3 crore उठाए थे. 7.29 crores, and we had to make 2 in that.
And you ran with that money for 3-4 years क्योंकि market.
We made losses for 2 years. उसके बाद we broke even again.
अच्छा.
So that money, eventually when we made profit, we had 2 crores left in the bank from that 7.29 crores.
अच्छा. Wow. Also, there is this. I heard it somewhere कि आप मैम ने आपको बहुत सपोर्ट करा था all this while. ये कौन सी टाइमलाइन है सर?
No, see, that is before we raised venture capital. That is when I was when I was in first 5 years after I quit my job. I was teaching on weekends.
जी.
And the house was running on, the kitchen was running on her salary.
अच्छा. ओके. सर आज की डेट में आप you have invested in how many companies? मैं परसों का एक आर्टिकल पढ़ रहा था. इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स में परसों एक आर्टिकल आया था that you have invested 4,900 crore rupees, which has turned into 41,300.
We lucked out. We got 2 good companies, Zomato and Policy Bazaar. So ज़्यादातर जो है
वो उसी से.
valuation उसी से है.
वो कितना रिटर्न बना है उसमें?
यार आई हैव नॉट एग्जैक्टली मेजर्ड बट काफ़ी अच्छा बना है.
Okay. And total return is 743% in last 20 years. This was the article.
Yeah, I mean, we've got a 33-34% IRR on our portfolio.
Hmm. How do you see a company before investing? आपने जैसे मेरे से आके काफ़ी सवाल पूछे हैं। और ये कुछ इस तरीके के सवाल होते हैं आपके?
I think it's
How do
important to know the person
okay.
or the founders कि what are they made of, कहाँ से आए हैं, कहाँ
हाँ.
जाना चाहते हैं,
How is it important?
because that will determine how committed they are. Will they stay the distance? देखो कंपनी बनाने में 10-15 साल लगते हैं,
हाँ
बड़ी
जी.
कंपनी बनाने में.
जी.
तो do they have it in them to stay 10-15 years? Are they in it for a quick buck? Do they want to sell in 3 years?
Hmm.
Or will they build a company out? अब Zomato would not have been built if Deepinder and team had not stayed at it for 10-15 years.
And how did you identify कि ये रुकेंगे 10 साल?
हमने पूछा उनसे कि what is it? What is your ambition? And then you assess across the table, सच बोल रहे हैं, झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
कैसे पता चलेगा झूठ बोल रहा है कोई तो?
Yet you have your judge. देखो अब आई एम 62,
Hmm.
राइट? सो आई हैड ऑलमोस्ट 40 years एक्सपीरियंस. तो आदमी की पहचान हो जाती है.
Correct. Okay.
So let's take your case,
हाँ.
right? Your father is in the police,
Yes.
okay? He's probably not an IPS officer unless he is.
No, he is ASI.
So
Now SI.
he's come up the ranks,
Yeah.
right? Uh, your mother was also in the government kind of service, right?
Yes.
So I straight away slot you that middle class का बच्चा है.
हाँ.
He has seen enough hard times at home.
Correct.
जहाँ पैसा नहीं था या कम
Hmm.
था.
Right.
Okay, you grew up in a part of Delhi that is not very fashionable.
At all not.
Okay, so you have come from there,
Yes.
where there would be some sense of deprivation and hunger,
Mhm.
and therefore you're probably ambitious to do something. You've also taken a risk by starting your own content creation podcast.
Mm.
You are reasonably enterprising that you've made something out of it.
Mm.
You are probably quite good at this, even though your podcast is new, and on YouTube it doesn't get too many views, but on Instagram it gets a lot of views,
Correct.
right? Financially, you've done well. You've got another business in catering, which your brother is now looking after. So I would label you as a striving, hardworking, enterprising person who will work really hard. You're working on a Sunday.
Yes.
This is the second recording today,
Yeah.
right? So you're doing what it takes to make your business work, right? You're 34. You probably have got 40, 50 years ahead of you of working.
जी.
So you probably make something half big, perhaps very big out of this. Maybe you'll get known. Maybe one of your podcasts will just fly, right? So if you were a VC investable business, which I don't think you are, but if you were, I might consider you positively.
Wow.
Okay, this was my assessment in about 7 minutes of talking to you.
कितना टाइम लगता है आपको किसी को एसेस करने में?
नहीं, I mean 10-20 मिनट में आपकी
You get a fair
you get a reasonable understanding.